Alright, this is my airsoft rocket launcher, and it's got 2 Roman candles in it. Made out of PVC pipe with an exhaust fan in the back. Some iron sights. I'm gonna shoot it. I think it's done. Worked pretty good.